Good morning, children. How are you? I think you are in safe zone. Today we have to gather here learn about our 7th class first lesson, food components. Yes, food components. We have to completed our 6th class. In that previous class we have to learn about that what we have to eat the food items, kinds of different foods, and that what are the minerals we have to take, how to preparation, what is the foods are eaten by us. Everyone have learn about these food items, and now we have to learn about our food components. What is the food components? We have to do what means we have to energy. How it is? Example I am saying to you. One example I am giving to you. Because your mom or dad, anyone before they are fasting means they have to not eat anything of food. The next day how they are looking like? How they are looking like? They are looking like very dull. Yes or no? They are looking very dull. Then what they have to do? They have to take some of food. They have to take some of food. That is breakfast, lunch, dinner, tiffin, chapati, idli, vada, rice. Anything they have to take next day to do some work. They have to do something else. Means they have to take some food. Yes or no? Yes. They have to different types of foods are there. They have to they wish they can eat the food they can take for their energy. Then we have to take every day as 3 times for a food. That foods are different. That it means gives us energy, gives us proteins, gives us fats, minerals. They have to giving the food. We have to learn thoroughly in that food items in our this lesson. We have to eat different types of foods like fruits, vegetables, and liquids. We have to take the food, and we have to some of the food items we have to very like most. Some of we don't like the food. Then we have to take most of nutrient food. Why we are taking that? Because our body we have to good health. We have to take the food good health purpose. Yes or no? Yes. Then we have to learn about our food components. Now see, we have to have some definition on the board. That is, a substance is which is essential maintaining life for grow is called nutrients. What is that? Which is essential maintaining life, which is essential. Manaka compulsory. Without food we can live on? No. We can do work? No. That is, a substance is which is essential maintaining life for growth is called nutrients. Is called nutrients. Then we have to learn about this. Our food has 5 major nutrients. How many have? 5. 5 nutrients and 2 components. They have to totally 7. 5 nutrients, 2 components. That is, they are carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and other is water, roughages. Other is water, roughages. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals, and other water, roughages. Now we have to learn one by one these types of different nutrients. First of all, we have to learn about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates contain energy to our body. It gives us energy. Like how it is that? Like they have glucose, sugar, starch. Glucose, sugar, starch. In this, main components of cereals like rice, maize, millets. In starch have main components. In the carbohydrates is that starch is main. Main is that components of cereals like rice, maize, millets. Then the potato, etc. That is rich in vegetables. Sweet potato, sugar, sweet potato, and etc. And what is the foods like banana, mango, watermelon, papaya? These are the some sources of carbohydrates. These are the about we have to learn carbohydrates. What is that? That is carbohydrates contain energy to our body. That is examples glucose, sugar, starch. The starch is the main components of the carbohydrates. The starch is main components of carbohydrates. That is what is where in which foods they have starch, that is cereals like rice, maize, millets. In that food, that starch in that food have. Next, the carbohydrate foods like foods are potato, sugar, sweet potato, etc. and millets, cereals, pulses. The fruits like banana, mango, watermelon, papaya are these are some sources of carbohydrate foods. These are carbohydrates, some sources of food. Next are proteins. Next are proteins. A substance of need from our growth and repair our body is called proteins. It known as bodybuilding food also. It known as bodybuilding food. A substance of need from our growth and repair our body is known as bodybuilding foods. That foods are like milk, cheese, beans, pulses, chicken, fish, etc. They are examples of that proteins. It is richest proteins are there in these foods. Proteins are comes from plants, pulses, beans, soya beans, etc. Proteins are comes from animals, milk, cheese, fish, meat, chicken, etc. And that it is the richest carbohydrates in that proteins are there in these foods. We have to take that daily our food. One item we have to take this type of food, and that rice also are high richest carbohydrates, and butter also highly protein food. And these are that we have to learn about our components, food components of that. There are five nutrients, two are components, total 7. One is that carbohydrate, proteins, fats, minerals and water, roughage. These are the 7. We have to learn about our carbohydrates and what are the food items we have to take in that. And next is protein. To the children, I am given to one task to you write a chart, write a flow chart about that carbohydrate foods coming from to animals, from plants. You have to write about carbohydrate food items, flow chart, and proteins food items from the plants and animals. You have to write and send with that our WhatsApp group, and mostly buy the books and write that. These worksheets are I am also sending